Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add newsletter for your site in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on plus, and you're gonna see it here in forms. In forms, you're gonna see subscriber form. Let's click on it and let's see it. So we got a subscriber form, really simple, really easy. And we got like email here, notification email or action URL. Just okay, that's good. And then you got like text here that you can edit to our newsletter now. And you can also change the color of it. So like yellow, it's really fine. And let's just move it like here. Or like under this. Nice, it's pretty cool. And voila. So this is how you can easily add newsletter here. I think it's quite simple. And it's quite good to add it like under your blog and everything. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.